Hey people, so I have to say this that over the past 2 3 days it was occurring to me whether or not I should actually continue making these videos every day, because maybe I should stop and make very intelligent videos and then upload. But then it's just occurred to me that this whole thing of making videos every day helps me overcome my own fears. Yeah, because at the end of the day, sometimes just being able to face the camera and you feel, "Arey, I'm not looking so nice," is that, but just like the Nike ad now, just do it. So it's important to kind of show up every day, and then when I need to make a special video, I can make a special video always. So this is good as a practice. So that's what, there's this new book I've begun reading, and it's called Reunions, Visionary Encounters with Departed Loved Ones. And this book, as it is by Raymond Moody. Raymond Moody is this therapist who specializes in communications with like the afterlife. So I find that field very fascinating. So once I finish reading this, I'll do a review of it. It's called Reunions, Visionary Encounters with Departed Loved Ones. So it's so sweet. I have like some 4 or 5 people who regularly tune in and watch my channel. So I feel so grateful about that. Yeah, thank you. So it's, I don't know when this pandemic will end, and also then we could probably plan a meetup. That'll be good, right? Yeah. So really, people, on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.